All right.
Back in the
try
car.
this again, guys. We'll back this up because I've missed all this.
In November 2023, an officer patrolling the streets of Sebastian, Florida, observed a black Toyota sedan speeding. A traffic stop was initiated, and after approaching the vehicle, the officer detected the odor of the marijuana coming from the car. When instructed to exit the vehicle, a heated argument erupted between the backseat passengers and law enforcement regarding the differences between consent and probable cause for a search.
308, vehicle occupied 5 times.
413, I'm in route to you now.
10-4. Attack Amelia, Sebastian Police Department. You have your license registration?
Okay.
Can I grab the registration?
Go ahead. Roll your window down, man. No, that's the title. Is this your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
It's, you know, this yellow sticker that comes in on your registration? That's the paperwork. Here, can you hand that back, please?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Kick the feet up.
You know why I stopped you? Yeah.
I'm
You're
gonna
41
put the
and a 30.
coffee in my hand. We're gonna try and
Is there any
enjoy
guns
this
or
guy.
guns in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Not that anybody knows of?
No. No, sir.
It smells like weed. Is there weed in the vehicle?
No, I only smoke tobacco, black and mild, none else.
Alright, well I smell weed in the vehicle. And I don't care about weed. Is there any weed in the vehicle?
No, sir.
What's that, were you gonna say something? You got a little bit of weed?
Sir.
What's up?
Sir.
Yeah.
Can I put you back up? Because this shit on my leg. I ain't trying to move.
It's what?
It's on my leg.
What?
It's on my leg.
What's on your leg?
Apartment thing.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Do it, can you run the register owner? Roll down your window. Little roach. So you guys were smoking weed?
No, sir. We wasn't smoking. I wasn't smoking.
But you guys were smoking in the vehicle. So I was smoking in the vehicle. Alright, look. You first. You're going to step out of the vehicle.
In here. You can search your car? No.
Yeah, I'm searching your car.
There's no concern.
Yeah, there's probable cause of search. There's probable cause of search, so the vehicle's going to get
You
searched.
got to ask for consent, sir.
I don't have to ask for consent. Get out of the vehicle.
Please, sir.
You have concern.
I don't. First of all,
You get out of the car now.
You don't have concern.
Please, sir. You have concern.
Okay.
You have to
You have concern to search.
We did not. Did you get
Said more.
Please, sir. Just ask for
Take your keys out of the vehicle. There's weed in the vehicle. I see weed in the vehicle. I smell weed in the vehicle. The vehicle's gonna get searched.
You don't have no.
I'm gonna ask for you to get out of the car. Please, bro. We don't want no issues. We just want.
Well, you're causing issues.
How you did ask for consent? Our friend is right down there.
Okay, get out of the car.
Y'all don't got consent.
I don't need consent.
Yes, y'all do. Y'all don't got consent.
I don't care where your friend's at. There's weed in the vehicle.
You need consent.
Yeah, well, there's weed in the vehicle.
Please, bro.
Plenty of concern.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car now. Hey, get out of the car.
Harsh on the headphones.
Stop doing that to my fucking hand, bro. Stop doing that to my.
Get out of the
Make
car
it real
now.
loud. It gets way loud.
Dude, I'm going to tell you right now, get out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Alright, you don't gotta do that to my hand. Yeah. Alright, bro.
No. No.
All right. You know what?
One at a time.
Do that. I don't give a f, bro.
You stay inside the vehicle.
I just want my mama.
Hey, go ahead and take this female out.
She's in the middle. It's alright, Alexander. Let it be. Shut up. Let it be, bro.
That's out. You don't gotta put your hands on me.
That's
No,
out.
you don't gotta put your
Hey, stop doing that to my fucking sister, bro.
Stay where you are. Right where you are.
Stop doing that to my.
Stay where you are. Knock it off now. Knock it off.
I don't give a f what y'all.
Knock it off.
I'm doing that shit to my.
Knock it off.
Oh, my fucking hand, bro.
Stop resisting if you're going to go.
Alright, bro.
Down.
K9, we got one running.
Chill, please.
You guys stay where you are right now.
Please. Stop, please. Oh, please. Oh, please, officer. Officer, please.
Stay where you are.
Officer, please.
Okay, listen to me.
I got
You're gonna listen to me?
Yes. Yes. Officer. Officer.
Richie, go past our cars. Go past our cars.
Obtain compliance, children.
Okay, listen to me. Stay where you're at.
Please, can you get off my hand? Please. Thank you. Oh, thank you, bro. Holy fuck. Oh my fucking gosh. Holy shit. Hey, can you call my parents for me, sir?
Get in the car.
Yes, sir.
Get in the car.
Yes, sir.
Driver, step out of the car now. Put your hands up. Put the phone on the ground. You're being detained at this point. You understand me?
Can you put my wallet in the car for me?
Give me 1 second.
Can you put that in the seat, sir?
What's your name?
Rainier.
Rainier?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rainier. Listen, I'm going to pat you down for my safety. Do you have anything on you? Stick me, poke me? You have any drugs or anything on you? Okay.
You got a D on you, sir?
Hang back right here. I'm going to hang him with you because I want to search him. I didn't search him yet.
Hang up. Hang the fuck up. Hey, why you throw my phone like that?
Listen, knock it off and stop, okay?
I'm not doing nothing to you,
Okay.
bro. I'm not doing nothing to you, sir. I don't got nothing on me. Hey, shut up. Hang up. It's alright. Hang up. Touching my dick and shit. No, just hang up. I'm good, ma. Hang up. That shit tight as hell on my fucking hand.
Well, stop resisting and it won't be. Sit back in the car.
No, can you pass my phone?
No.
What the f?
Back in the car. You live over here as well?
No,
You just dropping them off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
My phone was on top of his car and he just took off.
okay. We'll figure it out.
What does that mean?
That means we'll figure it out as soon as we can. Listen, I appreciate y'all for being respectful, okay? I don't know why your backseaters wanted to act like that. Who was the guy that ran? He can't hear you.
What do you mean?
Huh? Gonna step on out for me? That's your brother in the other car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm actually gonna put you in the back seat with your brother, okay?
Chill, bro. Chill, my
It's okay.
bro. I know I'm good.
Talk to you. So
Have
what,
a seat.
what
Have a
about,
seat.
Wait, what about my phone?
As soon as everybody comes, we'll be.
My phone on his hood.
Watch out.
I mean, it must-
All right, so you know nothing about the guy. Okay. You being honest with me?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Okay.
Magic.
How about you, man? You know him? Sir? Hey, you hear me?
Magical Mr. Man.
You hear me? Do you know him? Okay. Alright, come on, walk over here for me. Have a seat, man. Good. You gotta watch your legs, okay? I know it's not great back there, but you gotta watch them, okay?
Man, I'm good.
What's that?
I'm good.
What do you mean you're good?
Yeah, that's why I gotta get in the car.
Yeah, just because I'm gonna put you in the back of the car real quick, okay? What's his name, man? You don't want to talk to me? You sure? Alright, man. Let's go. Have a seat. That's going to be 54. The two siblings, I have them in the back of the car. Unknown about the other male. Nobody's trying to give them up. Just information, he is barefooted. His sandals are sitting over here in the grass.
Barefooted.
413 to all units, just information, I do have a firearm underneath the passenger seat.
Yeah, that,
So those phones might be the one that ran.
oh, work at Walmart.
What name tag's on that?
What's up, Popeyes? There's food and stuff in
This is the owner of the vehicle.
I didn't ask anybody about it yet.
Okay. Get out. You stay in here. Whose firearm is that? You're not gonna say shit? Whose firearm was it?
Really?
Okay. You want to play games? Get back in the car.
Really, kid?
You had a firearm in the car.
I had a firearm in the car?
Yeah.
I had a firearm in the car?
Absolutely. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Anything you take it easy against you, understand? You have the right to talk to an attorney for advice before we ask any questions, and have him with you during questioning. So there's no attorney here. You understand that? So you can stop asking, or you can stop answering questions at any time. Do you understand? You can have a lawyer won't be appointed for you before any question if you wish. Do you understand? Do you understand? If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you'll still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer.
Do you understand? So, yeah, you're in possession of a firearm. So, do you want to talk about that, or yes or no?
Yeah, I want to know how I possess a firearm, sir.
Because it's under your seat.
Under my seat?
Yep.
Under my seat?
Yeah.
In your car.
It was. I'm the one that found it.
A black and gray Taurus.
I'm a passenger, son. Fam.
Yeah, you're a passenger. It's under the passenger seat.
That wasn't...
What? So are you going to say it's yours, or is it the guy who ran?
I don't know, but listen, sir, I got, you feel me? That's...
You're going to go to jail for it.
Fam, how you just going to sit here and say it's my firearm?
Well, if it's not your firearm, then whose firearm is it?
I don't know, officer. I don't know.
Because there's one other person sitting behind you.
Okay, officer, but I don't know. That's not my firearm. You can't sit here and say it's mine. I don't even got a record, bro. No, I'm 21, found work, got a job and all.
Have you been arrested before?
No, sir. That's
never?
What I'm saying. No, that's not my firearm. How you gonna sit here and say that's my firearm, sir?
So your buddy that ran just left you with a firearm?
That's not my buddy. I was riding with my friend. Him, he's the driver. I know him, fam. I know the dude in the back as one. I told the officer that when he got here, fam. One was supposed to be going to his friend Josh's house. I was asleep in the front seat.
With a firearm.
Why would I have a firearm?
I don't know.
Trying to paint this
was
picture
that for protection? I'm not trying to paint a picture. There's a firearm underneath your car.
You said I was asleep with a firearm. You don't know that.
Why did I say I was? I don't know if you were sleeping or not. You weren't asleep whenever I walked into the car.
Yelling at me, that's messed up.
Because you don't make any sense. This is your one opportunity to tell us whose firearm it was.
That's not my gun.
Whose gun was it?
I told officer.
Oh,
you told me when you came up, man. Didn't you say? Didn't I tell you what I was doing?
It doesn't matter who said what or what you said.
Yes, I
said
there was a firearm underneath your car.
So you barely let me talk.
Yeah, I know. I don't have to. Listen, there's a firearm underneath your seat. Whose firearm was it?
Listen, you did tell me that you were sleeping, all right?
Yes, and then I woke up.
Let me finish now, okay? How many people lied to us?
Officer, I had my hands in the air the whole time.
I understand that. And you were nothing but respectful when we pulled you out.
Yeah,
I understand that. But you got to understand something. I pulled a firearm from underneath your seat. So you're telling me that these guys are going to pin this on you? Because how would a friend put a gun under your seat? That's not, listen, this ain't no joke. A gun.
All the videos I should watch, send them my way.
It's the driver. I'm in the passenger seat.
So I would probably talk to your buddy and tell him to find out, or to let us know who was in the back seat.
Man, alright, you can do that, but listen, officer, I'm telling you, fam, I don't know nobody in that car. When he got in the car, he told one he's taking him to Josh's house, fam. He was supposed to go there. I'm asleep. We just left Vero.
Well, where'd you pick him up at?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm not dead because I heard. Okay,
where'd you pick him up at?
Huh?
Where did you pick him up at?
He was already in the car when I got in the car, sir.
Okay, so the front seat was just wide open for you. Come on, dude. That is your firearm. Get in the car. Go. What? You don't know what?
I don't know where he was picked up at.
Okay, what's his name?
Picked him up at.
What's his name?
I know him as one, sir. I don't know that man. I don't know him, sir. I'm being honest.
Where did they pick you up at?
I was picked up in the Highlands.
Were you guys burglarizing stuff?
What?
I mean, that gun's stolen.
That's not my...
So you guys were probably out burglarizing stuff. They picked you up at Highlands. You picked him up at Oslo, and you're telling me... Because I think it was his gun. But I mean...
I don't know nothing about that shit, bro. You mean to tell me it's a gun under the passenger seat?
Oh, that doesn't matter. You're in possession of it, buddy.
And I'm in possession?
Yeah, and the one person who was sitting behind you ran away. And you're telling me you don't know who that guy is.
Officer, so basically that's basically saying I'm with him and he commit a murder and y'all show up at the scene.
Yes, absolutely. It's called accessory, yeah.
Okay, officer, but that's...
But you're in possession, but it's not like that though, right? It's like showing up to a murder scene and you're the only person
Then I'm
there.
telling you everything I know about the person, officer. I'm telling you his name. One, that's all I heard him call that man in the car.
So your friends must know who he is. Why aren't your friends helping you out?
That's his girlfriend. I don't know who them people is, sir.
Who's the driver?
That's my friend. That's my friend, sir.
Okay, cool. Well, he's not much of a friend. He must know the other guy, right? Go ahead, sit back in the car. You better tell your friend to start helping you out and tell us who that dude was. Listen, if you're not going to say nothing to me, I'm not even going to pull you out of this car. Because that is your car. So this is your one chance to tell me whose gun that was. You understand?
They found a silver...
Because he's in possession of it, it's your car.
Yeah, they found me in possession of a gun under my...
Stolen car. Or stolen gun. No, step out. This is your friend though, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, we'll see if he's your friend. I'm not talking to them. You might be scared of him because I'm kind of like getting that vibe from you. But he's going to be pissed off if you don't tell me who that dude is that ran. Because I think it was his gun. And I think he slid it underneath the passenger seat. But he's in possession of it. And he's going to go. Oh, wait. Let me tell you the second part. You're the owner of that vehicle. Go ahead. You want to tell me who that was? Hold on. I'm having a conversation. He's pissed. He's going. And he's an adult. Is the other one a juvenile? You're not going to say anything? Okay. Get back inside the car. Why did you even come out? I said I'm not going to talk to you. You ain't going to say nothing. Yeah. You're an adult, buddy.
Why you gotta be a butt, bro?
It's not me, it's your buddy. It's your friend. Your friend doesn't want to tell us who gun that might be, so I mean it must be yours, you're in possession of it. Silly goose.
I gotta be a silly goose, bro.
Because you're rolling around with a gun underneath your seat, bro.
Really not like that.
Silly
like
goose.
Under my seat.
I mean, you're the only dude here who could have been in possession of that gun. You're telling me the other dude's name's one, you don't know his name.
Yeah, that's his name. That ain't his name, bro. That's not true.
What's up, man?
Did you guys get any information on that guy who ran it all?
No. They just call him One, and he's from Oslo, but they refer to him as One, right?
Vero Beach, Florida.
No shit, where's that?
Highlands. Can tell him.
Damn, why y'all talking to me like that?
Because you guys keep playing games.
I'm
not playing games, but you trying to put me in jail with some shit that you found under the seat.
Under your seat.
Nigga ran from you, bro, and you trying to say it's me.
Under your seat.
Talking to me, bro. You talking like that shit lame, bro.
I'll do some research. I gotta talk to one of our gang guys, see if he knows anything from a guy named One.
Like I said, they just refer to him as One.
And why are you saying one, bro? We said one.
Oh, One. Sorry. Because the way... So, what is it, like J-U-A-N?
Yeah.
One.
I don't know how to spell, but one. Like, explain, just how you spelled it, bro. And you heard me say that shit multiple times, you said it saying one.
It sounded like you were saying one.
Bro, that shit is lame, bro. How you get DNA?
From a mouth swab, it's called a buccal swab. We swab your mouth to get DNA samples.
So why you swabbing my mouth?
To compare it with the DNA on the gun.
With the inside of my mouth.
Say what?
With the inside of my mouth.
You have DNA on the inside of your mouth, right? How do you think we just magically just pulled DNA out of our butts?
Why you gotta be a butt? Come on, bro. Like, come on. You real dude.
I'm just saying, how do you think we get DNA, dude?
Beat me down no more. Come on, bro.
I'm not beating you up. You beat yourself up by getting in the car. I don't know, man. It is. What? Probably. What happens when you're riding dirty.
It's some bullshit, bro. This some real deal bullshit, bro. Bro, I can't officer.
What's up?
I can't, bro.
Can't what?
Cause we got jobs, cuz. Like, I got a job, bro. I'm not even, like, I'm not cut like that, officer. What the fuck? Now I'm starting to think for real. I was thinking about the jail shit. Okay, boom, 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 mama. They gonna get them, boom, boom, boom. I know for a fact it ain't. You feel me? But I got a job, cuz. I can't be a convicted felon and work at the place I work, bro.
All that smoking. Yeah, dude. Anytime you smoke in your car, we search it. That's why all that
You gotta ask for consent, officers.
But I thought smell didn't count.
It absolutely counts. How do you think a canine smells? Like, if a canine walked up and smelled your car and it smelled like cocaine, because obviously we could smell weed, then we're going to search your car. Like, smell is, I don't know what YouTube channel you guys are watching, but it's wrong. Consent. Ask for consent.
Gotta have concern to search. Gotta have concern to search. Oh boy. Let's see.
De-escalate. No. De-escalate. De-escalate.
Why are you pushing me? Thank you. What are you doing? You're assaulting me right now.
Well, that settles it. Everybody grab a broom. It's shenanigans!
Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. First Amendment Shenanigans here. Hope you're all enjoying your day. I hope this doesn't ruin it, because we're checking in with Central Tyrant Investigations today. And he's doing a revisit. He's going back to City Hall, where he was kicked out of already for holding up a sign that basically makes him look like a panhandler. Now, I don't have any problem with the message that he's conveying on the one side of his sign, because it's there to support homeless. I totally support the homeless. I wish we didn't have homeless in this country, and I do my part to help that. Okay? This idiot thinks that holding up a sign and bothering people is helping the homeless, which it's not. So let's see what kind of idiocy he's getting himself into.
All right, guys, we're here back at the St. Louis City Hall. We were here before, and the security here came out and tried telling me I had to leave the property and I couldn't do what I was doing there. They called local law enforcement, and one of the officers was good. The other one was trying to say they had a city ordinance.
Take it off city hall.
Take what off?
God bless the homeless. Take it to the street.
Why is that?
So we got to go in the front? Yeah, you got to go in the front, over here to the left. Come on, you know why.
No, I don't know why. I would like for you to explain why.
Come on.
Wait, you're giving me directives. I'm trying to figure out what the directives are and why.
We have a directive, no panhandling on city property.
Who said I was panhandling?
Well, are you or not?
I mean, that's... Did you hear me panhandling?
It's a simple question. Are you or not?
What'd you hear me say?
Okay, I hear you say nothing.
You hear me say, God bless the homeless.
Okay.
And even if I was panhandling, you know that is protected free speech?
Right, but if security doesn't want you doing it, you do have to leave.
But what law would that be, though? And you couldn't say trespassing because I'm on public property. Engage in a protected activity.
Well, you'd be disobeying a lawful order.
From a security officer?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, guys, we are back here. Going to be doing the same thing, saying, God bless the homeless. And if they have a problem with it, right there. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Hopefully they learn their lesson.
I find you unacceptable.
Wow, that's very clever, CTI. Did you think that all by yourself, or did you steal it from someone else on the internet? Because I've seen this before. We've seen all of this before. It's all nonsense. Make yourself look like a panhandler so you attract attention, the attention that you want, just so you can grift people for money on the internet. It's absolutely pathetic. And you're doing it under the guise of helping the homeless, which is even worse.
I want to see receipts where that money's going.
God bless the homeless. God bless the homeless. God bless our homeless. Excuse me? Doing what? Yes, I can. God bless the homeless, guys. God bless the homeless.
Excuse me, Marshall. Take him to jail, please. You got right here.
Take him to jail.
Well, if you gave me my ID and badge, I can do it. You gotta take him, right? You gotta take him, not me. Yes, I gotta take him. See, I'm innocent. You're right. You always give me a problem.
So we gotta take you to jail. Now you go home and get your clothes together because you can't wear that nice suit to jail now.
So it seems as though his sign is not attracting the attention that he wants. He is not getting any really security personnel coming up to him, no police officers as of yet, and this is never going to work. But yet again, I ask, how is this going to help the homeless? I myself help the homeless, okay? My wife and I, we donate our time, we donate food, we donate money to the homeless problem in our neck of the woods. What do you do, CTI? Besides standing on a corner grifting people for money, do you help? Do you volunteer your time? Of course you don't, because all you care about is yourself.
God bless the homeless. All right, guys, so you guys probably didn't hear that because she was talking way quiet, but she was telling me I couldn't do what I was doing here. So hopefully she goes in there and gets educated. If not, we're going to have to really stand up for our rights today, which I have no problem doing. So you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that button below, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Become part of the CTI fam. All right.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good. How you doing?
Good. What can I help you with?
Nothing.
Okay, you can't be here.
Huh?
You can't be here doing that.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Look, I'm not in the mood to argue with this here, okay?
Yeah.
This is not a place for that. This is a place of business.
What's your name and badge number?
Bryant.
What's your badge number?
No, badge number? I don't know.
You don't know your badge number?
No, I don't, but you
Do
gotta go.
you have a DSN number?
You gotta go.
And if I don't go?
You will be arrested for trespassing.
What a loser. Get a friend, loser.
Please, just go.
All right, you might want to talk.
Nobody wants to sit up here and give away the hard-earned money.
Yeah.
Okay?
Did you ever ask, did you hear me ask for money?
That's fine.
What does it say? Read
Really?
it. What does it say?
God bless the homeless. Okay, bye.
Does that say anything about money?
Bye.
No, I'm
Bye.
good standing here, man.
Goodbye.
I'm saying God bless the homeless
Goodbye.
people. You might want to talk to your supervisor.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Goodbye.
So what's the problem? Me asking for money or me being here?
Okay, I got something for you then.
Yeah, you get something for me. You want to make a bet that I don't leave?
Man, I know who this guy is. Sure. The one that likes put things on the internet. He just try to help people.
Yeah, see, exactly. You're going to go inside, you're going to tuck your tail, and you're going to walk away.
No, what he just did is a frauditor's worst nightmare. He just disregarded you. You saw he just put his hand up, shook it at you, and walked away because he knows what you are.
Yeah,
he called you out immediately. He knows what you're doing, okay? He is not fooled by your bullshit. And security personnel, law enforcement, they're all getting wise to this. They're not going to give you the attention anymore. It's either going to be, let's just leave him alone because he's stupid, or let's throw him in cuffs. That's what's basically starting to happen now, and I am all for it.
Exactly. I do it for attention. I stand up for people's rights. Yeah, against people like you.
Straight in the cuffs. Get them the fuck out.
Yeah, I like to stand up for our rights. Yeah. See you, bud. Have a good day. He said he knows who I am. I like to post stuff to the internet. And yes, I do. I like to expose people like you. So hopefully, when you're higher up to this,
to stand up
he tells you
these rights
how you were wrong. And they don't like to be wrong, so hopefully they don't have anything else to say.
Here to protect
God bless the homeless. Pray for our homeless.
Make sure that we're safe.
So if I wasn't somebody that posted it to the internet, he basically would try to violate my rights for sure. That's what I'm getting out of this.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
And that would give you exactly what you want, CTI. You want the attention, you want the lawsuits, you want the arrest. It all means more clicks and views on your stupid channel, doesn't it? It's exactly what you want.
Yeah, guys, I think we should go in here and just to prove a point inside the city hall. Yeah, it's this guy right here, guys.
What you need?
Huh?
What you need?
Why'd you say that?
Say what?
What you said out there?
What I say?
That
I said a lot.
that I needed to leave.
Goodbye. I ain't worried about you, man.
So you're basically saying if I didn't post stuff to the internet, you would have violated somebody's rights.
Once again, you have to lie to fraud it. He didn't say anything like that, CTI. You just hear what you want to hear. You see what you want to see. All you fraudsters are grifters and liars, and we see you for what you are. Hey, this cop is disregarding you because you're insignificant. You're nothing to him.
Yeah, he doesn't want to. Oh, yeah.
How am I looking for attention? I'm looking for people to respect people's rights. If you educate yourself a little bit more, you might have better interaction with people. Yeah, while we're in here, guys, let's look around and...
So I'm not going to stick around for the rest of this. He basically just stands around, wandering around the room for a few more minutes, and then waddles out of the front door. Okay? It's pathetic. It's useless. This is not helping anything besides helping your viewer count. That's the only thing this is helping. This is not helping the homeless. This is not helping our veterans. This is not helping anyone but him.
Watch
it's
with me. Go ahead and
pathetic.
post them up.
What's even worse is that people on his channel, I read the comments from time to time, they actually cheer him on. How do we have people in this society that cheer on this kind of BS? Can't you see through this like we can? How do you not? It's so transparent. It's so blatant. It's in your face.
Because
they're just
idiots
there
that
for
were sitting in the back of class,
and that's it. They don't care about anyone else but themselves. And in this time of the year, it's the worst thing you can do is be all about yourself. This time of year, we reflect and remember there are a lot of people in this country and the world that don't have it as good as we do. And that's why it's important to donate your time, your money, supplies, clothing, food, anything. That's why that's important in this time of year. I mean, it's important all the time, but especially now. But these people, they don't care about any of that. And it's absolutely absurd and pathetic. Well, enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. It really will help the channel if you have not done so. And I will see you on the next one.
I don't have time for these shenanigans.
I tend to support the First Amendment. Instead of First Amendment pretenders, I don't know. I mean, frauditors is a good name. I just, what can I say? I like to come up with other ones. That's the baby. Booted out of courthouse. All right.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello, and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video takes us to Lawrence, Massachusetts, where we find MMA audits and his little buddy, whoever he is, attempting to film him with inside of a courthouse because they don't think that the policies of the courthouse or anything apply to them. And they end up getting booted out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this freaking show on the road, shall we?
Out of Lawrence. District Court officers wanted to gang up on me. There was like 6 to 8 of them. They threatened me with violence.
Ooh, they ganged up on me. Ooh.
Not a good scene. It's a Supreme Court rule by the Supreme Court that there's no electronic devices in the court anywhere, in the hallways, nowhere. So I like to do it, but like I said, it's just a rule.
Just a rule.
Check out this video. I think you'll like it. Like, share, and subscribe.
Just a rule.
Comment on this video. Let me know what you're thinking. We the people got to stand on our rights, and they're taken away slowly but surely every day. Let's get into it. Are they?
What's up, fellas?
How you doing?
Alright. He's gonna be in this.
Are you filming in here? You can't film in here.
Why not?
There's no filming in here.
Well, we can't film in the courtroom.
Nope, you can't film in the building.
Per
Trial Court Administrative Order 20-21. No cell phone or personal electronic device or camera may be used to take photographs or video in a courtroom or anywhere else inside the courthouse, with the following exception. News media, in accordance with Supreme Judicial Court Rule 119, electronic access to the courts. And it goes on to talk about Rule 119, which does give contingencies for actual press and media, but I bet you couldn't be bothered to look any of this stuff up on the internet. I mean, it's so easy. There's no excuse for it, dude, unless you're a complete ignoramus or you have an agenda that specifies you be the most dishonest person you can be, or both. And I'm going to go with both in this particular scenario, because frauditors wouldn't know the truth if it came up and punched him in the face.
Is there a sign or a statue?
Yeah, just let us know, guys. You know what I mean? There'll be no problems.
Yeah, that's a contradiction right there, considering what you said earlier when you talked about it just being a rule. Yeah, if you had saw the sign, then you would have said that sign doesn't have a code attached to it, which makes it invalid. And even if it had a code attached to it, then you would say it was unconstitutional. There is no winning with these morons, because all they're going to do is move the goalposts.
Can we just hold up to the spot? We have those filming or something. I'll film them. Hold up. What did you say, Peter? We have those all around. They're trying to show recording outside the courthouse or inside? Inside, sir. There's no recording in the building.
Is it? What?
Is that your supervisor?
Yes. He's coming down here.
All right, cool. Where's the sign say? Is there a sign that says that somewhere?
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
There's no sign up. No, we're not here to get.
Well, then you guys shouldn't enforce something that they got nothing behind it. You know what I mean?
Well, perhaps you should do the intelligent thing and actually look these things up on their websites, because they are there. All you have to do is use the Google machine, look up their website, and see that these rules do exist and that they can be enforced. But no, that wouldn't fit with your narrative earlier that you're a victim, that they threatened you, having everything like that. No, that wouldn't fit at all, now would it?
That you can't do in the courtroom.
Where's that?
You already knew that you can't record in here.
No, I didn't. I just asked him if he ever came in here. Don't tell me what I know and I don't know, bro.
You guys said something about recording in here.
No, we asked. We're not recording in the
This guy thinks that, telling me my thoughts in my head. He's that special. I just asked if there was a sign. Told you I wasn't going to give you guys a hard time, but now you guys want to make something of it. You know what I mean? There's no sign saying no filming. There's no sign saying no filming, and there should be a law behind it.
Well, that's still a little paradox right there, considering earlier in your video you were talking about the court order, but you kind of just blew it off as something that's unenforceable. So you're still moving the goalposts, but this isn't your building, so your opinions really don't matter here.
I'm telling you, I know the law very well. I wouldn't do this if I didn't know what I was doing.
Oh, wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.
Yeah, there's got to be a statue or a law. It can't be something from the judge.
Can't tell
you know.
Hey, you can't have people record without anything back.
I got people from across the country that don't leave their house and they want to see the inside of these buildings, and you guys go off of you know, rules,
What they're telling you, yeah.
rules of the court. You know, this is the people's building. You guys don't own it. The judge doesn't own it. This is where they do their business for the people.
Oh, blow it out your ass, Howard.
Man, you're a complete dumbass, aren't you? While the judge doesn't technically own the building, they do have authority over it, or more precisely, the judicial branch of the government does administrate this building. They make the rules and regulations for it, and they are enforceable, as seen on many frauditor videos where they end up getting kicked out of these buildings. And let me ask you something. If a judge's decision had no weight to begin with, then why do they hand out sentences and trials and everything like that? If they had no weight, then their opinions and rulings wouldn't matter. But seeing as how you are a frauditor and everything like that, I guess you just don't see the authority of a judge as legitimate anyway, because you're a damn anarchist.
You know what I mean? Excuse me?
Juvenile court here?
We're not going in any court. We go into the foyers. For anything that's the public can go into, we don't enter any courtrooms. We don't enter any courtrooms and nothing like that. You know what I mean? And you know, this guy right here already knows my thoughts and stuff, so he says over there, you know what I mean? Because he watches YouTube, right? This is going on all over the country, right? The auditors, he said the auditors are here.
My name is Gustavo Cruz, Assistant Chief Corps Officer 132.
I don't know. So they're telling me I can't record in this lobby.
No, you cannot.
All right. Okay.
Where's the law? Where's the law that says that?
So
there's no laws or policy within this
Okay,
building.
so if you arrest me, right, for going into here filming, right, you'll have a lawsuit. You'll be in federal litigation.
No, I
period,
just
you know
want
what
to
I mean?
So this will be a lot more productive.
And this won't be my first.
Don't just continue to talk and allow me to also get my...
All right, go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. So the policy within the building.
Well, policies don't trump law.
Correct. Okay, I understand.
And I don't want to go in.
I understand where you're coming from.
And I don't want to go into the courtroom. I understand that
nowhere in the courthouse. That policy has changed. Nowhere in the courthouse can you record.
Can I see that policy?
I can give it to you, but we need to stop recording and then go outside.
All right, so can I ask you something? You said Cruz, right?
Yeah.
So we weren't looking to go in the building.
How close this guy's
In
getting.
the lobby.
This is not
productive.
productive.
Let me tell you what my purpose is.
Understood. Hold on, but this is no longer productive because this is what's going to happen. I've already made clear to you guys you can actually record it.
Well, I get this thing working and
we need to step outside, and then we get arrested.
All right, come on. I'll go outside.
All right, people. Oh, what? I'm going to be arrested?
No, you're going to be escorted out.
Oh, I'm going to be escorted out. So this guy's ready to go hands on me with me. Lawrence Courthouse.
That's essentially what we'll get.
So we'll make you famous, right? And you know, that'll be that. I'll step out because you know, look behind me, people. You see all these people that are going to put their hands on me? You see this? This is not good for the public. No, you're not productive, dude. We're going to step outside. We're going to step outside, and I'm going to tell you what productive is, okay? Okay? You don't put somebody's life, okay, and freedom in danger because you're...
Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today, we have two sovereign citizens in Kansas going head-to-head with two Kansas judges who have zero interest in drinking the sovereign citizen Kool-Aid, no matter how much it tastes like thermometer juice. Also, it's Thanksgiving, so I want to take a brief moment to say
724 CR 420, State of Kansas versus John Hanna. Mr. Hanna, it looks like you've been charged with one count of sexual battery. That is a...
Not good.
That's a Class A misdemeanor. That can carry up to a year in the county jail and a fine of up to $2,500. So let's talk about how you might want to handle your case. This is just the time just to let you know what your charges are. Did you get a copy of the charges against you?
Of course not. I haven't even been found guilty on the sanction, the write-up while I'm in here.
Well, of course you're not going to be found guilty yet.
But I mean, I don't mean to interrupt you, but that's the procedure. And I mean, we could talk to the Department of Justice about the jurisdiction of the case as well. We can take it to that extent, but you can go ahead and continue. I would like to challenge the jurisdiction on the charge. I want to state that for the records as well.
You can continue.
No, you continue. My apology.
You know, you wouldn't have to apologize if you just shut up in the first place. But let me tell you something. This judge had the perfect response to this dipshit.
Mr. Hanna, I'm going to run this court, not you. And you can start off with the sovereign citizen crap about jurisdiction and everything else if you want to.
I'm saying, I understand that. I'm just saying, but
welcome to the stream.
It's not going to get
talk to the Department of Justice as well, because you know
got any good videos? Send them my way.
That's just fine. You can do whatever you want.
We'll swing now.
Anyway,
we're waiting on an indictment on you.
Then you've answered charge with one count of a sexual battery, Class A misdemeanor. Are you going to have an attorney to represent you, or do you want the court to appoint somebody to represent you?
You can appoint me one, and I'll have an attorney later on when I find him.
Well, that's not how that works. If you can afford to hire your own attorney, then your options are defend yourself or hire your own attorney. But we, the taxpayers, won't be funding your defense.
Okay, I'll go ahead and give you...
That's not how that works.
A hearing date on the misdemeanor control docket. Your next hearing is going to be November 18th at 9 o'clock with Judge Webster. That can be by Zoom. Mr. Canfield, what's the state's recommendation on bond here?
Your Honor, in addition to the sexual battery against a deputy, the defendant also has been convicted of aggravated domestic battery, aggravated battery, and aggravated escape from custody. So at this time, the state's recommendation will be a $7,500 cash or surety bond.
Those charges aren't even my record. For legal detainment and
Very well. The court's going to go ahead and set your bond at $7,500.
Very well. Screw you.
If you can, sounds like you can afford your own counsel, so I'll let you go ahead and see about doing that. If you can't afford it, when you get around to your next hearing, you can ask the judge to appoint counsel for you. But I've given you your next hearing date. You know what your bond is. You'll need to stay with the sheriff until such time as you are able to execute your bond.
And so we didn't address the jurisdiction issue either, right?
The fact that you're where you are and I'm where I am means that I have jurisdiction over you.
Well, that's one way to put it. And to be honest, I wish all judges responded to in-custody sovereign citizens like this. Now, somehow or another, and not because he paid his $7,500 cash bond to get out, the jail released him from custody. Despite that huge fuck-up, he did have a court date on November 18th. So let me ask you a question. Given that he's a sovereign citizen who doesn't believe the courts have jurisdiction, nor was he supposed to be released from jail to begin with, do you think he actually showed up to that court date?
Will now be on the record in Hannah 2024 CR 420, State of Kansas versus John Raymond Hanna.
How's your morning going?
Jared Regier for the state. Defendant pro se, but does John Hanna appear?
Oh, really? I'm going to lose power again. I called a while ago
with no answer, so John Hanna fails to appear.
I give up. I've tried 4 times.
Mr. Regier, recommendations.
Every time I get it going, I end up losing something somewhere today.
2024, the defendant was to make a $7,500 cash or surety bond, although he was very combative and challenging at the time.
Your Honor, I do have some notes from the initial hearing on September 6th before Judge Sanders that would appear to at least at least marginally refer to what the court is referring to insofar as the defendant's attitude at the first hearing was concerned, or perhaps demeanor is a more appropriate term for it. I do not have anything in my file insofar as an appearance bond is concerned. Perhaps the court knows something that I do not know, but I am not sure the affidavit from the jail either.
We might be able to keep it going for a little while longer.
I am not showing anything in the file concerning the bond, although I'll check my queue real quick.
The problem is I only have propane right now, and it's so cold that it wants to freeze up the propane.
I'm not seeing it, but yet I don't know how I could have gotten out of jail without making a bond.
And my notes do appear to suggest that that the defendant did appear in custody. To cut it to the quick, Your Honor, the state will be recommending, based off of the amount of the bond and the charges before the court, at the very least $15,000 cashier surety or no bond hold, depending on which way the court determines is appropriate. The state would also defer to the court as to whether a bench warrant or a bench bond forfeiture should be the court's order at this time.
Damn it.
Well, I'm going to issue a bond forfeiture, but if it didn't post the bond, then of course we can't enforce it. I'm ordering a bond forfeiture. I'm ordering a bench warrant for the failure to appear.
All right, it's
the
a
new
sign.
bond will be set at $15,000 cash or surety.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You know what? We'll take the camera outside. We'll see if I can get it worked out there.
Issuing a bench warrant and increasing the bond
outside.
amount seems appropriate. Let's just hope the police pick him up before he commits any more sexual crimes. Now for our next sovereign
we'll call it.
We stay in Kansas, where we have a soft sit who thinks he can operate in the private.
Oh, wait. Wrong thing.